It's time to see what kind of damage the previous owner did to this gas tank. Will this DA sander with 60 grit take the paint down? Not very quickly. I'll be back in a minute. I'm making progress, if you can call it that. This tank must have come from the same seller that a lot of you people have bought parts and bikes from. His name is Jack Ass, previous owner. Rather than pulling this dent out, they attempted to fill it with all this filler, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do much with this. I may just sand all this out and see if that glue puller will pull any of it out with the bondo removed. I really have my doubts. Alright, I'm going to have to go on YouTube and see if there's a quick way to take bondo out. Maybe a heat gun or something. I don't think my glue puller stood a chance against this mess. I just watched 2 YouTube videos, very short ones, but I hope very informative. One used a heat gun. The second guy used a propane torch. I'm going to try the heat gun first. Oh man, this stuff's thick. Alright. Look at that. Yikes. It's hot too. Definitely need the heat. Ouch, that's hot. I wonder if I can reuse this. Look at this. I can make it bubble up. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, I can definitely reuse this. I can use this to fix that dent back up proper. Well, lesson learned. This heat definitely works. Take an old bondo out. There we go. There's some of Mr. previous owner's damage. The tools I used. I'm going to take that sander to it a little bit more right now. I told you guys I could reuse this bondo. This thing's done. It's fixed. You're not going to find this trick on YouTube except at Ken's garage. Before I get too carried away trying to pull that dent out again, I'm going to sand this down. I suspect I may have some additional problems here in these vulnerable areas where these things tend to rot out. I think it's okay. It really doesn't feel rough like it rusted through. I think I'm good to go here. This seems to be just surface rust. It's not coming from the inside. The rust is sanding off. I didn't finish, but it's coming off. This side is actually better than that side. So all I need to do is fix this little dent right here. That's it. Easy. I'm just about ready to try this again. This thing in its worst area is over 1/8 of an inch in, and it's supposed to actually be a little bit rounded here. It's supposed to have a nice curve this way. Starting at the bottom down here, I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of a dent pull. I'm hoping I get some traction after sanding this with 60 grit sandpaper. Not much traction there. Pull number 2. Decided to get another one set up over here. Come on, work. It's pulling off of my sanded, 60 grit sanded steel much easier than it pulled off of the painted surface last night. Trying another spot. It was coming up and then it just popped right back down. Now back to a more center location. Oh, it popped up right there. Come on, do more. It's oh man, it popped back down. I was just gonna say it was way up right here, and then it just dished right back down. This will probably be my last attempt. It's pulling up right there. What if I tried two at once? This is definitely my last try. See that? It just popped up over here. Why won't it do it down here? Just a little bit. Come on. That thing is way up. Ah, the glue's giving away. Darn it. On both of them. Is it gonna pop down here? It stayed up. Maybe I'll do one more. There we go, last one. Oh, come on. Instant fail, what the heck? Oh, I gotta put it away. Maybe come back tomorrow. Not sure what happened there. It just didn't stick.